We are staying at the Aloft, or Aloft, depending on how you want to say it, hotel, which is a Marriott hotel. And we're going to check in to the lobby area, but attached to the hotel is Tenter's Gastropub. But we're going to head in to the lobby and then straight up to the rooftop bar before we show you the room.
That's the unfortunate about the technology nowadays, that they try to hide everything behind contact forms.
Yeah, you're right.
Off to the side is a little bar and lounge area that doesn't really get used. There's the restrooms, and just for reference, there is the lobby, and over there is Tenter's. The rooftop bar is on floor 7, and as you come in, that used to be reception, but to the right is the bar. Lots of comfy seating and views. And then around the side of the bar is the rooftop. You can go outside. Well, it's very nice and comfy out there. I love the colours in here. Big TVs everywhere, including there. Lots of choice. Some showpieces, and then you've got various games and things that you can play in this area. That's the breakfast area. And then you've got a pool table and more books and things. You should never hassle the hoff. So we are in a wheelchair accessible roll-in shower room on the 4th floor, and it's a nice sized room. So there's the bed and a bedside table. You've got the alarm cord and plugs and stuff here. The bed is pretty comfortable, the pillows are pretty comfortable, and there are 2 different sizes. You've got the smaller size and then a longer size. There's a connecting door there, luggage space, big TV, which we've not used, so I couldn't tell you what channels are on there, but probably Freeview. Desk chair, desk area. That doesn't work. There's a lamp. You get 2 of those waters included. Phone, plugs, 2 Bibles down there. You do get slippers included in this room as well. Then you've got the tea and coffee area. So you've got an espresso machine, kettle, tea and coffee, Barry's tea there. A safe, drawer for your laundry, hair dryers under there as well, drawer for your shoes. Some shelves up there, and you slide this door, and then in here you've got your iron and ironing board, robes, slippers, came from down there, and then your wardrobe area. There's your aircon controls, and then you've got a sliding door into the bathroom, and this is the roll-in shower room. So a nice chair and toiletries to use there for getting showered. Lots of space to move around. Hooks on the wall. Lots of grab bars everywhere. A raised toilet. A lowered sink with a mirror, big mirror. And then you've got all of your amenities there. So your glasses, your toilet roll, your towels, tissues, soaps, etc. What do you think of this hotel?
It's been a nice, comfortable stay. The staff have been great.
Fantastic staff and concierge in this hotel.
The rooftop bar's been good both times that we've used it.
Yeah.
I think it's in a nice little area.
Tired? Keeping you up? We haven't used Tenter's, the gastropub that's attached to the hotel. But yeah, very nice, very quiet.
Yeah, there's games to play. It's dog friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got everything. Pool
The
table,
room's
everything
good,
you need.
bathroom's good, shower's hot, powerful enough.
I had to turn it right the way up. That was on full pelt this morning.
Yeah.
For the heat.
I'd stay here again. That's the Aloft Dublin City. Keep making memories.
Catch you later.